beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the you had a thought you had a ding dong. Beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the you had a thought you had a ding dong. Beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the you had a thought you had a ding dong. Beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You ecstasy that you had.
This recipe is way too simple, so I don't know if it's going to be any good. But we've got 1 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, and 2 bananas. And we'll see if they're any good.
You beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the you had a thought you had a ding dong. Beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You ecstasy that you had. Was this the ecstasy?
Okay, this is a gross consistency. Doesn't feel very nice in the hands, you know. Very mushy. Very, very mushy. Gonna pop these little babies in the oven and hopefully they come out nice.
Beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me.
These cookies actually ended up being my favorite out of all of the banana things that I made. So much so that I had to make a second batch of cookies for my neighbor who gave me like almost all the bananas to begin with. But apparently wax paper has 2 sides. Who knew that? Not me. Well, I found out, and yeah, they got a little stuck. But just don't do that, and it'll be fine, you know.
Know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You beat me to the you had a thought you had a ding dong. Beat me to the know that it's a cloud in my hallway. You ecstasy that you had. Was this the ecstasy that you had? Was this the ecstasy?
Okay, this was my first taste test after they were in the fridge for like an hour or 2. And I didn't love them. I'm like, yada yada, they taste healthy. You can taste the chia seeds. I give them a 6. No, girl. I don't know if they get better the more you eat, but I just ate 4 of them, and now I love them, so I give them an 8. Bomb.com, for sure.
Wish I had an explanation for the popularity of the man I'm about to introduce, but a gift such as his apparently...
The last banana thing I'm making, these ones are just going to go in the freezer because I am done with bananas. And I don't know how this is going to go because I don't have eggs, so I'm using flax eggs. Don't have 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, so I'm going to use like half caramel almond butter, half cashew butter, so It might taste not so great, but we shall find out. They taste fine actually, they're delicious, but they don't really resemble muffins. I took them out of the muffin pan, put them in a container, and they just fell apart. If you follow the exact recipe, I'm sure it'll be fine, but I did not, so the results show. But they still taste good, so I'm gonna eat them. That's just a lot of peanut butter. 1 cup is a lot to ask for, especially in times like this. Number 3. And that's still not a cup, but that's just gonna have to be good enough. So it's 2 minutes, but that's a long time. Ooh, careful. There's a lack of peanut butter, so that's probably why. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. I'm a little upset. Why are they sunken in like that? It might be because they're flourless actually, but they look like they need a nice scoop of ice cream to just bloop, go right on top, you know? That would be a really good dessert idea. Then I just threw the last 3 in the freezer so I can pull them out and use them for smoothies or to make banana and ice cream as a little treat.